In this video, you will learn about momentum indicator strategy, and after watching this video, you will easily be able to trade binary options or forex by using momentum indicator. And most people use momentum indicator either in a wrong way or in a way which doesn't works. But what I am going to show you in this video works like a charm. Okay, so watch this video very carefully, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And after watching this video, if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. And the platform that I'm going to use to show you about this momentum indicator is called Pocket Option. And if you want to create your account on Pocket Option, then I will give you a link in the description of this YouTube video. If you click on it and create your account on Pocket Option, then you will get huge amount of first time deposit bonus in Pocket Option. Not only that much, when you keep on depositing inside this platform, you will keep on receiving deposit bonuses in upcoming days too. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, you need to select the currency pair, whichever you want to make trade on, okay, and then select the candlestick. You can trade on whichever candle you would like, okay. I'll show you in 1 minute candle time frame, okay, and your trading time frame is also your choice, okay. Whichever trading time frame you want to select, S5 means 5 seconds, M1 means 1 minute, okay. Whichever time you want to select, you can select it. So and then you need to implement this indicator that is called momentum. So for that, you can just click on here and click on momentum, okay, and then enlarge this momentum indicator, and you can see there are histograms which are green, red, okay, and this is the exact histogram that is going to give us the signal where we need to make the trade. And one of the important thing that you always need to know is most of the indicator always works like a charm whenever it is in trend, okay, like either it is going upward or downward instead of range bound, okay. So the way to use this indicator is whenever it is showing green histogram, okay, that means you need to trade on upward direction, okay, and whenever it is showing red, then you need to trade on downward direction. Now that is the simplest thing, okay. Most people do that thing and it is fine, but it will not give you the highest amount of accurate trade. Now what you need to do in order to become accurate most of the time is, as you can see here, whenever it is red, okay, so it is falling down, okay, it is falling down, and whenever it is green, then it is trying to go up, okay. But you need to find the exact point from where you need to make the trade, and for that what you can do is just click on here and click on this horizontal line, okay, and then pull this line above and find the resistance area. As you can see, this is one resistance area. If you see in past also, you may find or you may not find, but as you can see here, there are 2 points where it is showing that it can be a possible resistance. And what you can do is again again click on here and click on horizontal line and pull it below, okay, and you can see this can be the support area, okay, support area. As you can see here, it have respected here also. Sorry, it went a little bit down. Let's pull it back, okay, pull it back to this level, not this level, this level, okay. So this is your resistance area and this is your support area. So market is currently at this resistance, okay, and you can see it has started to become green, okay. Now this is the current situation of the market. Now what you can do is again put another horizontal line at here, okay, and you can see here was one resistance area normally at here, right? So it was at here, and you can see, sorry, you can see this was a resistance area, and here you can see the market was struggling to break out this resistance area, okay, and it tried to break out, it again fell down, and again it suddenly braked, okay. And once you see this kind of breakout, then you can see one to two additional 2-3 candles, okay, and you can place trade by clicking on higher, okay, in upward direction. So now, but as you can see, it is currently struggling at this resistance area. So now you need to wait for some time, okay, wait for some time, and you need to allow this to break out, okay. And as you can see here, here are the green histograms, so that is the signal to trade on higher direction, but it has still not breaked out, so you need to wait for some time. So that is one thing, okay. Now let's say it didn't break out from here. Now that means it will start to fall down. Okay, it will start to fall down. Now what you can do is you can wait for some time, okay, and wait for this red histogram to start to form, okay, and this histogram should make this kind of pattern, okay, like it, these histograms start to become bigger and bigger, okay, and market is falling down. And if you see this kind of histogram and market is falling down, then that is the place where you can make trade by clicking on lower. Now it's the same thing if the market is hovering at here, okay, just the opposite thing that I have shown you at here.